Is it grill time? I like your outfit. Okay, so we got our grill delivered, which was kindly gifted to us from Traeger Grills. So I'll show you guys what we got here. So we've got the Traeger Timberline 850 grill. It came with all of the different accessories. So it came with the grill cover, which is really good for when it rains, and you know, so birds don't poop on it and stuff. Then, ooh, we've got, I think this is to put the pellets in, like leave them in the container. Then we've got, ooh, this is cherry hardwood blend. So basically this grill is, what does it call it? A wood pellet grill?
Wood fire.
A wood fire grill, and you need these like wood pellets to kind of smoke it and like get it. It uses the wood pellets instead of charcoal. So there's like different blends, and they all have different flavors. This one is a cherry. This one here is their signature blend. Then what else we got here? These are some drip tray liners and more wood pellets. Was it barbecue sauce? Oh,
marinades. You know they're gonna send in marinades.
Oh hell yeah! So we got sweet and heat barbecue sauce. We've got fin and feather rub, veggie rub, and coffee rub. Yum. And then I think that's it. We just got a lot of the different pellets. I thought we were gonna have to buy these, so this is dope as hell because this is a lot. We're gonna be set for the whole summer, probably the whole year. So yeah, thank you to Traeger Grills. This is awesome.
Sebastian.
Everybody is the Traeger team. We're gonna set this up and hopefully we can use it today or tomorrow. I mean, we're definitely using it for 4th of July, right? So yeah, thank you guys. Ooh. Okay, you guys, so we didn't get to show you because we built it at night and it wasn't, you couldn't really see it very well, but this is our nicely brand new and built Traeger Timberline 850 grill. Isn't she gorgeous? Matte black, the way we like. And when you open it, you can see brand new grill racks, which are soon to be covered in drippings of some sort because we're starving. But this is what the grill looks like, and then over here, this is the part where you put the wood pellets so that, you know, it can be a wood fire grill. So far we have already downloaded the Traeger app, and then we connected to the Wi-Fi. Well, we made an account first of all, and then we connected to the Wi-Fi, and now it's telling us to locate the QR code on the grill, which is right here. Also a space for you to put the name of your grill if you're into that kind of thing, naming your grill. It's like naming your car. So we located the QR code. Now we're gonna click I have a QR code, and then oh, it already found it. That was really quick. We missed it. And then it has us put in the Wi-Fi for our house, which is super long and I can't even remember right now. It asked permission to connect to the Wi-Fi, so I said yes. Now it's connecting. And babe, maybe you could tell me what does the Wi-Fi do for it? You've read up more than me. You don't know either. We're gonna learn.
Wi-Fi technology. It allows you to control the temperature from your phone.
Oh, kind of like our washer dryer. How you can like, oh, that's dope. Okay, wait. Your girl cannot find FAVES. Please verify that the wireless checking Wi-Fi. Oh, is it because it doesn't reach back here?
Yeah. So maybe we will set up our Google Wi-Fi and then
grill. So basically, our router and modem are all the way at the front of the house, and the connection doesn't work back here. So we actually just got back from Best Buy to get the Google Wi-Fi extenders. So I think we're gonna pause this, go do that, and then go back to it, or also show you that because, you know, it's a whole house vlog. Let's just do all the things because our entire house connects to Wi-Fi. If you didn't know, even Macho connects to Wi-Fi. Okay, continue, join. Let us pray. Oh, unable to join.
you definitely need.
There we go. We need another one for back here, right?
Yeah.
Name your grill. What should we name her?
Meet your Ashley's girl.
Okay, meet your Ashley's girl. Keep it simple, you know. Oh.
Or what?
The Golden Grill. Well, we're married. You're gonna get real tired of me using that for everything.
What about Trigger?
Oh, it's too late. I did it.
You can rename.
Fine.
Trigger.
That's actually really cool. Way cooler than the Golden Grill. Edit grill name. Trigger.
Trigger.
Trigger. Oh, okay.
Trigger.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay. Okay. Low pellets. Now we have to figure out how to put the pellets in and which pellets to put in. So yesterday, film me.
Sorry.
So yesterday we were actually film me.
Damn.
So we were actually going to grill yesterday, but we ended up not, basically. So we have a whole bunch of stuff seasoned to put on the grill, and by a whole bunch of stuff I mean 3 things. We've got some steak, we've got some scallops, and we've got some asparagus. So it's all seasoned in some Traeger seasoning, but each Traeger seasoning that you get, it actually like recommends which pellets to use. So we have to go inside, figure out which pellets we're going to use, and then we'll show you guys putting the pellets in, because we got to figure that out. Pretty sure you just pour them in here, but we'll see. Okay, so this is the seasoning we used. It's the Traeger Blackened Saskatchewan Rub, and it's basically like a garlic rub, which you know we love. I cook, if you've seen me cook anything on this channel, you know that I put garlic in everything. So obviously this is the first one we used, and it says it pairs well with the signature sauce, which we don't have, but with the hickory pellets, and we have those. So that's what we're gonna put in the grill. So let's go do that.
She didn't grab scissors, everyone, so.
Okay, so we got the bag of hickory.
Just show them, you see this bag?
And it tells you on the back of the bag everything that goes good with it.
I'm gonna make her do the little cool things that Jake Paul does with the
add-on.
yeah.
Got you. Don't ever compare me to Jake Paul. I'm gonna pour it. Did I do the whole bag?
I don't know. Probably.
Okay, full bag of hickory.
Just turn that bad boy on.
Turn it on.
Macho. Get over here. Really?
Really, Macho? You're gonna shit in the yard?
Get your ass in here. You going in the house.
Okay, so turned it on. Now we're going to turn the dial to 375. That's what it recommends to grill steak. And then press. Wait, did I press that? Press. So I press it in, and now ignite to start. And it said on the Traeger app to let it preheat for 15 minutes. So right now it's at 84. We're gonna wait till it gets to 375, and then we're gonna cook some stuff. It's at 397 now, but I'm assuming that the moment we open this, it's gonna go down.
Look how it's going down. It's rapidly.
Yeah.
Rapito.
But okay, so we've got all our food here. I'm gonna start with the asparagus because that's gonna take the longest to cook.
You stay.
Should we put the steaks on already? The scallops are like mad quick. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the steaks on.
How long do steaks take?
Put like 15.
How long do those take?
About the same.
Well, that's a no-brainer then.
I want these to be the closest to the meat. Okay, so I guess we'll close her up for now.
Oh, that filet mignon right there.
With that rub on it, it looks so good, and it smells really good too.
That mignon.
Yeah, and it was marinated overnight, which it wouldn't have been yesterday, so it's gonna be yummy. So we're going to let this sit for probably like 8 minutes, and then when I open it and flip them, I will put the scallops on. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. We're gonna check the temperature on this guy, and hopefully. Yeah, so it's not ready yet, obviously, but time to flip. We're gonna put on the scallops now, though. Put that there.
For cooking practices, you probably should have not put steak on.
On what?
Like you don't put fish on the same part that you cook.
True. We are eating them together. Now it's dropped down to 313. So let's get it higher, and we'll be back in another 5 minutes. Okay, guys, here's our end product. It looks delicious. Does it smell? Does it smell delicious? And honestly, we're ready to eat, so we'll report back when we're done. Probably a little bit drunk because the wine is hitting.